Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your REALME C35. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start looking for an app. Now here write Microsoft Edge and hit the search button. Now click on the install for this app right here. After installation process is complete, we can open the app. You can sync other Microsoft Edge devices to this account. I'm not gonna do that. You can also agree or not to agree to help improve the Microsoft Edge browser and Microsoft products by showing your data preferences. I'm not gonna do that. Confirm. From here, you can set the Microsoft Edge browser as your default one. So let's press yes, let's do it, and go for the Edge right here and select always. And now our browser is ready. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.